So I get this question a lot in my training sessions. How can I make my reports pretty and interesting? How can I add a wow factor in the report? And this is my response. There's a lot of emphasis and fascination about look and feel of the report. And the problem is you can end up having a beautiful report that does not serve a business purpose. It's not valuable. Ask any executive how many fabulous reports they have seen that no one uses anymore. Primary purpose of the report is to inform and not impress. And I really want you to take this point home. Primary purpose of the report is to inform and inform effectively. And when you have that report, it eventually becomes part of business as usual and gets adopted very quickly. So question is, how do you inform effectively? Number one is accuracy. That is the most important thing. What does it mean? It means, is the right data selected? Have you scrutinized it enough to identify the messy secrets? Every data set has messy secrets. Have you applied the right data transformation techniques on it? Is the calculation and the logic correct? Are the appropriate assumptions built into it? Have you performed rigorous testing? Has anyone else done the testing on it? Because you might be having a blind spot. So number one is accuracy. Number two is useful. Your report should serve a purpose. What business insight does it offer? What decision does it allow you to make? Does it save you time or does it improve the quality of your decision? Can you articulate why this report exists in a clear and concise language? And this might be more difficult than it sounds. So number two, it should be useful. Number three is simple. It should be simple to read. Less is more. It's not about having a lot of visuals. It's about having few meaningful visuals structured in a logical way. It's not about using a complex, fancy visual. It's about using a simple bar chart. It's not about having a lot of colors. It's about using a consistent color theme. It's about using a language which is easy to understand. It's about keeping the noise and the clutter as low as possible. There is a quotation that fits perfectly well. Your report is like a joke. If you have to explain it, it's not that good. So simplicity is the key. Number four is fast. It should load quickly. Now we have very short attention span. No one wants to wait 10 seconds for the report to load. And problem is when you want to beautify your report by adding these fancy elements, it makes your report run slow. Speed and beauty usually pull in opposite direction. And I can tell you that a fast report will trump a beautiful report any day of the week. So make it fast. That's my answer. If you want to make your report pretty and interesting, inform effectively. I hope it helps. Let me know what you think. Thank you.